see the governor of Kisii County, my younger brother, Simba Arati. I am very proud of you. No, we admire you a lot. I just wish I was there. Now let me congratulate you because my chance passed. I didn't start politics at your age, so it's good. Bob, you know I was your man when you were in SDP in 2007 in Kisii. You left me, I followed you to ODM, and now I'm in BDP. I admire you in Siaya. One day when His Excellency is bringing us to you, we come to greet you. And all the other leaders present, my name is Dennis Ombachi. We were here, Your Excellency, when we were told you were coming, and we said we'll wait for you, because as a minority, we'll work with you. And at this point, I just want to say the leadership of the minority stand up, so that we can wish His Excellency well. And we want to assure you in Kisii, we work together. And ODM, when it started, almost everybody was there. Now, Your Excellency, you have a chance to convert, but I can tell you the others have also taken route. I know you have the energy to be able to talk to us. Thank you. I wanted to introduce you before you see. That's the Chief Whip, Honorable Dismas Teresa. That's the Deputy Minority Leader, Samuel Mauti, and the others. There is the Whip for UDA together. And now that you have formed a broad-based working relationship between UDA and ODM, in Kisii, we are waiting to see which is now, because ODM is the majority. So, mfunge virago, ingia ODM, mtuachie space.
I can assure you that the members